I see over 5,000 students every single school year. Switch! I'm Karen Getty-Stewart and I am the Environmental Resource Teacher for Pasco County. Slash Pine only has groupings of 2 or groupings of 3. Here at Starkey Wilderness Park, the students are collecting data from a prescribed burn. This is Hercules Club because see how it's pointy? So they're going to each one of the quadrants and they're using plant ID cards and identifying specifically what plants are growing and what plants have not grown back after the prescribed burn. It says wet and dry, what number is it at? They're also looking at temperature, pH, is it in between 8 and 7?
Yeah.
Moisture and light, and documenting that and using it to answer questions, so they're getting background information on prescribed burns. This project would not be able to happen if it weren't for the support of Southwest Florida Water Management District. They actually give us funding to actually pay for my instructional assistant, my bus driver. This facility is also funded by that. And if it weren't for the support of the district, we would not have the ability to send these kids out here every single day and for us to see all these students and make an impact with them on environmental education. It's amazing when the kids come out here and they learn all about the environment, because they come out here and they actually get to see things that they've heard about, just like the pine tree and the salt palmetto. The most exciting thing for me about doing this job is that seeing how excited the kids are. Every day I have 40 different students. The excitement with the kids are catching something and they're trying to identify what they caught by looking at the pictures of the organisms. They're so excited. They're looking at the prescribed burn. They're collecting data.
Light is at 2,000.
And I don't even have to worry about the kids being on their phones. They're actually off their phones and looking around and enjoying what's going on. And that is quite the accomplishment.